This is my game and I've been working on it for about 4 years now, and since the release date is nearing, I thought it would be a good idea to polish up some of the levels and see what I can do to make it look better. So I went on Reddit and I made a post showing off my level and I asked for advice. And honestly, the feedback I got was so helpful. One thing a lot of people were agreeing on was that the trees were a bit too stylized compared to the rest of the visuals. And honestly, looking back, I definitely agree with that. I still want to make them a little bit stylized, but I think the geometry was just way too simple. So I made a new tree and I relied on a cutout shader for the detail. Another good point a lot of people made was that there wasn't enough variety with the foliage, so I started with the trees, of course. And I made a bunch of different materials for each tree, and I wrote a script that randomly selected one of these materials for each tree. Another suggestion was to add flowers, which kind of ties into the point from before. Just by changing up the foliage a bit, I can notice a big difference already. Someone also suggested adding critters like butterflies or fireflies. I really liked the idea of fireflies, so I went ahead and made a little particle system that kind of looks like a bunch of fireflies. And finally, just to make things look a little bit more dynamic, I decided to use cloth physics to my advantage, and that includes things like flags, banners, and even giant feathers. And this is what the level looks like right now. I'm a lot happier with it now, and I'm very grateful to everyone at Reddit who helped me out. So big shout out to r/indiedev for helping me out. And now I'm gonna leave you with some before and after pictures, and I'll see you in the next video.